Continuing today in our grade 4 lesson, we are still continuing with perimeter, and I hope it's not shiny. We have corrected that. So we first of all talked about perimeter, where we were finding perimeter of triangles. And then yesterday we found perimeter of rectangles. And also before we look at irregular shapes, because today our topic is finding perimeter of regular and irregular shapes. Right. There is a shape which we did not talk about, but we have to find its perimeter as well. It is a regular shape, and that shape is a square, right? It is a square, right? When we find perimeter of a square, we know that a square, it has all its sides equal. All the four sides are equal. So it is very, very easy to find the perimeter of a square. Because, for example, if we are given the side is 4 centimeters, if you are given only one side, which will be 4 centimeters, we know that all the 4 sides are equal. We may just say, take this 4, the 1 4, which is side, and then just multiply by the other sides. We just say 4 times 4, because there are 4 sides of a square. So instead of us adding, or we may add and say 4 plus 4, it just comes to the same. 4 plus 4, it will be equals to 8. Then times 2, which will be 16. Right, a square is side plus side, side, 4 sides. And I was laughing. Who is it, you brave, who added everything? You found that it is going to be difficult to add length plus width times 2. And then he added all the 4 sides, repeating even those 2 which are the same. That is okay. It doesn't matter. What matters is for you to arrive at the answer. What I'm interested in is the correct answer. If you think 4 times 4 equals 16 to a square is going to confuse you, you may say 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. You see, it takes long, but you will be doing the correct thing at the end of it. You are going to get 16. The same way you would say 4 plus 4 is 8 times 2, 16. Or simple 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. No matter how you work out your sum, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times, you arrive at 16. You still get the same answer. All right. So that is how we find the perimeter of a square, with all the 4 sides equal. Rectangle, 2 opposite sides equal. We are adding the 2 sides, multiplying them by 2. All right. Today we are looking at regular and irregular shapes, finding perimeter of regular and irregular shapes. What do we mean by regular? Regular are shapes like a square and a rectangle. Because it's regular, because the system is the same. The two opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. In a square, all the four sides are equal. Then what is irregular? Irregular, right? Irregular, all the sides have got different sizes. They are not the same. So this is why we are saying it is an irregular shape, because all the sizes are different. But what we have to do is to add all of them, because we are finding distance right round the shape. So we have got regular and irregular shapes. For example, if we were to look at number 6, look here, and let's look at this one. Where is it? This. Sit, I will shape it, I'll bring it. This one. Can you see how it is? There it is. There it is. Right. Can you see this shape? It has got so many sides. 11 meters, 2 meters. What is that one? 9 meters, 5 meters, 3 meters. The sides are all different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sides. All the sides are different. This is an irregular shape. So when you are finding perimeter of an irregular shape like this one, you cannot say times 2 times what? You go and take all the sides and write them as shown here in the diagram. You are going to add all the 5 sides because they are not the same. They are different. So that is why we are saying the shape is an irregular shape compared to, look at this other one as well. Look how it is, this other one. It is also an irregular shape because all the sides are different. They are not the same. So perimeter of all irregular shapes, you are going to add all of them. Are we together there? Have we understood that? Can we unmute now? Unmute yourself. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, unmute. And please don't make noise. Yes, unmute. So you heard what is an irregular shape? Irregular shape? Yes, Uriel?
An irregular shape is a shape with all sides different.
Yes, the sides are different. Okay? Regular, what do you understand by regular? Regular shape? Yes, Poitumelo?
A regular shape is a shape with sides which are the same.
It's what? Come again.
A regular shape is a shape with the sides which are all equal.
All. Yes, not all regular. Like a regular shape, there is a similarity of some sort. Like where all sides are equal. A rectangle, there are 2 sides which are equal. There are other sides that are equal compared to an irregular. Irregular, all the sides are not equal. So that is the difference between a regular and a irregular shape. Today you have Tino. Tino, we saw you a little bit, and she's good. Tino, tell switch on your video, man. We can see you. Switch it on. All right. So, in all the shapes, please, yesterday, I had emphasized that when you are finding perimeter, you have to draw the shapes. I want you to draw those shapes. But some of you just wrote as if they are writing English, giving me sentences. No, I will give you back your work to draw so that it is shown. This is a triangle with 3 sides. This is a square with all sides equal. This is a rectangle, an irregular shape. So draw all the shapes and please write clearly. I have even emphasized that. Produce your work clearly. This is the exercise you are going to do again. Today you are going back to classroom. You will find your work there. Try and answer your work there. Some of you have got so many missing work. I'm going to give you less work if people don't fill in the missing work, because I cannot go on giving you loads and loads of work, piling work, when people don't write. There are very few of you who write. Most of you have got missing work. Work is missing. So please, let us look at the deadlines and write as quick as we can. I know we may have challenges with bundles, but let's ask nicely from our parents. They buy us bundles and then we write our work on time. All right, Tino Tenda, are you with us now, Tino? Tino Tenda, can you hear me? Tino, can you hear me? Where's Tino? She has left. Right. I think for today in our maths, we are going to end here because we are just continuing with the perimeter, whereby today our main focus was irregular shapes. And as I emphasized, draw the shapes and then the size. All right. We are going to come again for science. So we are going to log out and log in. Bye for now. Let us come back for science. Bye.